Don't worry, Mom. Lockdown or no lockdown, you will still get your money on time and way in advance. You know why I said that so confidently? It's because I use Pay It mobile app for transferring money. It's so convenient, I can even transfer in the middle of the night from the comfort of my home. You don't trust me? Come, let me show you how easy it is to transfer money. Firstly, you need to download the Pay It mobile app. Android users can download it from the Google Play stores. iOS users can download it from the App Store. Huawei users can download it from the App Gallery. Ensure you are fully registered and have done the verification. Go to the home screen, click on Transfers, which will appear at the bottom of your screen. Multiple options to send money will appear under this header. For example, MoneyGram, bank transfers, mobile wallets of different countries. Select Bank Transfer. Your Pay It digital wallet balance will appear on the top of your home screen. Enter the amount that you wish to transfer in AED. You will be able to view the conversion rate on your screen. Click on the next button that will prompt you to enter the recipient's details. Review the details entered and confirm the transfer. You will get an acknowledgement page with the Pay It reference number and status. You can also review the bank transfer details on the home page under Transaction History section. Another lockdown? No worries, Mom. You guys are all sorted. I've transferred you enough money during these challenging times. Making life easier for you and your loved ones. Download Pay It mobile app now, the digital wallet you need every day.